A lot of times when we think of making something feminine stronger, we make it more masculine. And so what I'm wanting to do in this show is to take these signifiers of women, so sweetness, confection, prettiness, and flowers and stuff, and to put those in a place of empowerment. So the cups in this piece, the sizing in particular is drawn from things like Alice in Wonderland. The sizing as it shrinks invokes the notion of cuteness and curiosity. It invites someone to explore, to say oh, there's another cup that's even smaller. Oh, there's another cup that's even smaller. As you start to look at this more closely, to really examine the details, it does become a bit of an unsettling experience. The cups are also very refined European porcelain gilded handles. So this is speaking to a very specific class structure which adorns itself in a way to sort of distinguish itself from the lower classes in a certain system of etiquette. I am really interested in function and how it works, the feminine and botanical forms. A lot of my research is based off of historical movements, things like tulipomania, which was in the 1630s. Things like the botany of desire, which is Michael Pollan's talked, how we kind of deny agency to things like plants. So I try and draw from sources beyond just strictly the fine art world. Like, why is this important to me? Why am I drawn to this form, this figure, and seeing those as being related to my upbringing in a very traditional Southern home. It is rarely an autonomous field. It is about community because the resources are harder to come by and the equipment is more expensive, and it's also a very technically difficult and challenging thing, and you learn better and you learn easier with other people. I very much enjoyed the time that I did have here to teach. That's what I love about, it's what really draws me to ceramics in general. Having this piece have a life outside of the gallery, blurring the lines of botanical forms and thinking about how they too have their own sense of agency and the relationship that is developed between a person and a piece of art when you are able to touch it. And that is really important to me.